previous page we have learned the activity for 2 circles. Now 3 circles. You can see one is orange, one is yellow and one is blue. Common part between this circle included, and which circle included? This. So common part of this and this is this 4 and 5. So common multiple of 4 and 5 we will write here. Okay, now common multiple of orange, that means 4. Orange 4 and yellow, that means 6, we will write here. Okay, now common multiple of 5, because blue color is having number 5 and yellow is 6, so we will write here. Now all the 3 circles, these yellow, these, so yellow, orange and blue, all the 3 you will get here. Clear? So let us start. Repeat the game by putting the multiple of 4, 6 and 5 in the circles. Okay, so please pay attention here and concentrate. Maybe I make mistake here. See here, 3 circles are there. So what common multiples of 5 and 6 did you write in the green part? Okay, so what common multiples? So first we will collect all the multiples of 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. 12 is the multiple of 4 also and 6 also. So we will collect in this way. Okay, so orange and yellow. So 12 we will write here. Okay, in this way you will collect. What common multiples of 4 and 6 and write in the orange part? So we have written here 12. So in this way 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24. So 24 we will write here, because 24 is the multiple of both the numbers 4 and 6. Clear? And don't worry children, this activity, previous activity was easy, but this activity I will teach you on the green board. So don't worry, okay? Here we are doing rough work only. I am explaining, okay? Now 6 fours are 24, 4 six are 24, 4 6 are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36. You will write here common part. 4 tens are 40. Return. So many multiples you can write, but here is the space is less, so we are writing only 10 multiples. Okay, and the common multiples I have written here 12, 24 and 36. Now 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Okay, 12 already written. 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48. See here, 48 is divisible by 4 also, so 48 we will write here. Okay, so 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54 and 6 tens are 60. So 60 is also divisible by 4, so 60 we will write here. In this way you have to collect for 4 also and here. So from here you will rub 4 and 20 and 40, because 20 is divisible by 5 also and 20 is divisible by 4 also. So you will rub here and you will write in the common part. So common part, you will write the multiples of 4 and 5. Then we will collect. Okay. So this activity you will try. I will teach you on the green board. So let us start. 5th standard students, now see page number 92. At page number 92, what common multiples of 5 and 6 did you write in the green part? What common multiples of 4 and 6 are right in the orange part? In which colored part did you write the common multiples of 4, 6 and 5? And then what is the smallest common multiple of 4, 6 and 5? So see children, here I have written first the table of 4, 5 and 6. You can see. See? 4, 5, 6. Now draw the circle. Now see here the common multiple. First we will find the 4 and 6. Okay, so 4 ones are 4 here. So this is the orange part, beads you can see, light orange part, skin color. There I have written the multiples of 4 and 6. So multiples you can see common, 12, 12. Then 24, 24. Then 36, 36. So 12, 24, 36, 48 and so on. When we extend the table, so multiples, when 10 multiples I have written for every number, but if we will write more multiples, so more common multiples we will get of 4 and 6. So till here you can see 12, 24, 36 and small 48 and dash dash dash. That means so many. Okay. Now we have to write in this and this. That means this part, green part. This is the, I have chain type design zigzag here. We have to write the common multiple of 5 and 6. So first 10 multiples you can see the common multiples of 30, 30. So 30 I have written. Okay. In this you can see that is small shape. Here we have to write the common multiples of 4, 5 and 6. So common multiples, when we extend the table of 4, when we extend the table of 5, so 60 is the greater number. 60 is divisible by 4 also and 5 also. So 60 is the common in all common multiple in all the 3 numbers. And so many we will get. 120 also. 120 is divisible by 4 also, by 5 also and 6. So 120 also we can write here in this shape. And now see here this, the common portion of this and this. We will write the multiple of 4 and 5. So multiple of 4 and 5 you can see 20, 20, 40, 40 and so on. So many you will get. So now uncommon multiples we will write in the circle, not in the common portion. So you will get the image of, you can see my image I am not satisfied because it is looking like hodgepodge, you can see, but you will draw, and you have crayons color, you have so you will write with in neat and tidy the digits. For explaining I made different design, okay, but you will not do, you will do your work according to the textbook, neat and clean. Okay, so you can see here uncommon, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 12 is divided by both the numbers 4 and 6. So in the common portion you can see 4 6 are 24 also, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36. It is divisible by both the numbers 4 and 6, and 4 10s are 40. So 40 is the common both. Clear? So in this way you will do your work. Okay, and if you are having any query, you can ask me. So you can see in this way your circles will be prepared. Okay, now see here, what common multiples of 5 and 6 did you write in the green part? So in green part we have to write the common multiples of 5 and 6. So we will write here 30 and so on. Okay, and after that what common multiples of 4 and 6 are written in the orange part? So orange part 12, 24, 36, 48 and so on. In which colored part did you write the common multiples of 4, 5 and 6? So common multiples of 4, 5 and 6 only 60, and multiples of 60 also, 60 2s are 120, you can see. What is the smallest common multiple of 4, 6 and 5? The smallest multiple of 4, 6 and 5 is 60, and the common multiples of 4 and 5 20, 40. Clear?